Chitariki emerongevere na ISANO na IBERE umutenyi n'umutangani omwaka no yewe kiribubere na emerongevere na inye nigeragire CHINSA ISANO na IBERE cyabona umugaso aya naramanga nama yakorwa Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bwo mu Gusii ritari anenkuru kwa job MAANGI nuitoko batoko bwatirana nere lindi kwene kichibiche kiboyego namalyo yaya goikerare asenkero boikano yakorwa Akoroko Felistas Abendi nkora nanda sekretari tambe bikuma manyinali aberega gwatike kurwa kide CHINSA cyamambi goikera bono mugaso. Omoncho murigerwe TV ya Ndizi TV ngo usabanga oikaranse oike mbengo manyinara lyabeire gagwate ka CHINSA echi amayini go tukola chaka korwa sense moya sector echisemi nonyanga chisukuru cyaba chiko igorwa amatuko abwango iga anene mono asemutienyi o January nigo egati aborokyo bataraba wekerana asisukuru asengencho kuborwa school fees nonyanigo nigo yaba omochengo omonene asomorokiwa oyomo ase Amarieta James Ongori korwa se county Nyamira maga yokonyora ogosiro korwase abasamaria abaya naende aubale abarayi be county ya Nyamira bakora uno mubunge unakuru town west Samuel Arama omo MCA wensemo ya township Duke Masira omo MCA be ward ya Bunyamatuta Julius Matwere ababa gokonya omoroki woyo asebono arachiga soa eskuru ya Moi Forces Academy egotoka ime yako Ilel.
Nilikuwa na shida ya school fees kuenda shule na Samuel Arama kwa kunisaidia na Duke Masira ili niweze kuenda shule inayoitwa Ilel Forces Academy National School. Niko na furaha nimesaidika ili nami niweze kujisaidia nimalize shule.
That was not right. And it's good we are bringing them to order. Tukitaka kusaidia tunasaidia kura iko mbali. Wacha watu wafanye kazi sasa. Na ile kazi tunafanya ni kusaidia watoto kama this story of this young boy made us cry here. Several people have cried.
Ya kwamba kweli ni ukweli vile mtoto alikuwa anasema, sometimes inaweza kuwa ni hoax. Wengine wanaweza piga simu wachifanye, lakini sasa watu wenye walienda wakakuta huyo mtoto kweli alikuwa ni yatima ndio wakaweza kumleta. Atungemtupa mtu utupi mtu mwenye amekuku
Chingakie chunigo bakora una Robinas Makana yoro munchoreri na boygo MCA township Duke Masira babeire bagosaba barayi abugotigago swana ni siasa ekero moro kibwa akobaga gokonyo boygo nigo babere bagosaba okubwatirana egati abarayi elinde kwene kingosira bale abana anene mono bali bakurwa chinga kitari kwenyara obasinyire gosoa ase form 1
doing the same na pia tunakuomba uendelee kufanya hivyo kusaidia kwa hawa watoto wadogo, especially huyo kijana alikuwa this case ilikuwa imetrend kwa social media sana, lakini vile umejitokeza kumsaidia na pia umeshaeleza hapa awali ya kwamba waheshimiwa wengine wamesema wataweka mikono.
Wakubwa wetu kutoka Nyamira bado nao pia wakamwingilia kwa kusema kuwa anataka kuingilia siasa. And I was really terrified also in my heart, asking him tafadhali ndugu yangu Mheshimiwa Arama usivute nyuma, sababu hali ya mtoto na penya ametoka and why should we be rubbing shoulders on somebody who is giving an hand? So the only thing that I'm asking na nataka kuomba kabisa ni ile kuwa ndugu yangu Arama usichoke. Thank you very much for allowing us bring this student.
Ekuro entindi bono nigo yaberege kurwegwa ochiase abantu bakunereria bose koiba obolemo bwa serikali bunamba chikoirerwa egetambokero egetindi aniga kwanwa ekere kiombege kurwania obukurumikia ESCC geikirana asense mu Kakamega na koirania obolemo bwa serikali obwabete bukoibwa ase amatuko amaega nigo ekerengo bose chibesa obolemo bukageire koba bore 85 million.
A person within this Kakamega area or indeed any other part of the country who is holding a title to government land to return the same without the necessity of waiting for the costly litigation process.
That most of the lands that belong to the government have been grabbed by private individuals, and they are holding titles, and they can make several other moves with the titles that they are holding. Therefore, I really wish to thank EACC for coming up and being able to recover these plots that belong to the government.
Senior officials, including governors, are presiding over dens of corruption. That should not happen. Resources are supposed to be prudently utilized so that we serve the people. Those who are facilitating regrabbing of recovered properties should be warned, because they are sabotaging efforts of the government.
Amaiga yekigambero anene mono lichiko ligoro agwetia lichiko bosugo tuguterare lichiko lyogo chigwanchirana okuna chagwe chibesa kurwasa emeshara y'abakoli emirimo elinde gosira obwagachi bw'ekinyomba ase ligo lirike nigo murayibwense William Ruto atapeteka gwanchirana nokuna cha okwo ase bono ensemo yekanisa inse oyobo mu kanisa wa NCCK babere bagwesokya nakogikeria eserikali ase ogwetia machiko ayo aberega kwirira akokonga kwobugima ase abakenya bono ngo babiri bagusaba serikali boigo kwirige tambukero ilinda kwene kinga ngoro beli bali abakenya amagimabo na boigo kurwania obukurumi obwabere bokorekana ase serikali ya Kenya na boigo asense ito ya Kenya ase obomo.
Gone are the days when people could afford even to employ a house help, because now you cannot afford. Gone are the days when we could afford at least even 2 meals a day. Today, even those who are working, they can't afford even their lunch. Worst beggar with power on earth. Government does not have money. It is we who have money. And those people who are making policies, who are imposing some of these policies, they are not feeling the pain ordinary Kenyans are feeling. Simply because whenever you see them driving, those fleet of vehicles are fueled by taxpayers' money. They don't pay anything from their pocket. When you see them hosting guests, even in their places of residence, the money spent is not from their pocket. So these people are not feeling the pain.
Asama tukabwango iganigo imeyorogongo rwa Mount Kenya tuabire tokorra okomentekana kwa maberera akisiasa asigati yabarai babere bakomwa okobokori ndindi nyoro kwirali bagali ligadiga shagwa ase obochori obonene bwa 2027 ase bakomotebya abe omokonyi oruto bono nigo mubungo yu abere kagwesokia na gukwanera engane ase bono abere goteba buna nigo barobu baete okoboko amagendo litangani siasa simanya kobwati ase boikabere goteba buna na chikobwate sia serikali ya Ruto na boigo mokonyo ye Rigathi Gachagua.
When a decision comes to your table for you to make, I appeal to all the leaders in all the arms of government that we look at the general good. Na mimi kama Dede Nyoro na viongozi wote wetu, sisi tunaheshimu kila mtu, including our judiciary. Ni kuwasihi tu kwa unyenyekevu, wakati wanaona Kenya inaenda mbele, tuangalie sana maneno ya Wakenya. All of us as leaders in Kenya Kwanza, our focus is work. Our focus is delivery of service. Our focus is economic transformation of our country, Kenya. And our focus is that even as we grow our economy, we grow an inclusive economy. Sisi kama watu wa Kenya Kwanza, sisi wote tunapea our president na makamu wake. Tunapea our president His Excellency William Ruto na makamu wake His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Tunawapea full and total and unconditional support.
Omurebwense Dr. William Ruto niko bona agendereire netara ya AMAYIA County ya Meru as abirika kuigura emeroberio ao ya magendro anene mono asaba kuigura eskuru yobobundi ya Mitungu Technical Training Institute ensemo ya Mweru Irrigation Scheme na boigo epara ya Kieni Kiendege asabira atabuna serikali ya enebwate emeroberio emiya wechiase abaremi abasae na boigo abakenya bonzi linde kwene kinganko basirali na boigo kuimukia uchumi enzi ito ya Kenya.
Kuna mtu amekuja kusoma hapa ndiye aende atangatange kwa barabara? Si kila mtu amekuja hapa kusoma ndiye aende afanye kazi? Sasa ni kazi yetu na ni mpango yetu kuhakikisha kwamba hawa vijana wataenda wapate ajira, tuwasukume wasonge mbele. Tumekubaliana? Na tumekubaliana hivi. Vile vile saa hizi tuna negotiate bilateral labor agreements. Tunataka wale vijana pia watatoka hapa Mitungu pia tuwapange waweze kufanya kazi hata nje ya Kenya. Tumekubaliana. Tumepanga na Wamarekani, tumepanga na Wajerumani, tumepanga na Wafaransa, tumepanga na watu wa UAE kwamba vijana wa Kenya wanaweza kutoka hapa waende na skills zao, wawe ni mechanical operators, wawe ni wale wanafanya nursing, wale wanafanya clinical officers, waende wafanye kazi nje, watuletee madola, tuendeshe taifa letu la Kenya. Vijana wa Kenya mko tayari? Vijana wa Kenya mko tayari? Kazi ikipatikana Kenya mtafanya? Kazi ikipatikana ng'ambo mtafanya? Si tulikubaliana kazi ni kazi? Ama tulikubaliana namna gani? Tunaelewana? Tuko pamoja? Tuendelee namna
Arensemeyo boigo murebwense Dr. William Ruto nigo abeire gagukwanira anene mono eyemaega yekegambero gotuguterare richiko lyobwagachi bw'ekinyomba aserigo lirike asabirira goteba bune serikali ni kikogendereria obwagachi bw'ekinyomba ekyo naboigo emeroberio ya serikali yende ase abagusaba abarayi bonsi ase bitago byonzi byoborendi bose ebitago byonsi bya serikali judiciary executive na boigo ababunge gocha amo elinde kwene kingango sirabare abasae ase amagenderero.
I am saying this and I want all leaders in Kenya, including those in the judiciary, to understand that it is our collective responsibility to make sure that job creation is part of government policy. Let me also say, for the avoidance of doubt, that we cannot pretend anymore as a country. Those of us who have jobs, those of us who have opportunities, we cannot continue to pretend that we do not have an unemployment problem in Kenya. Let us not use technicalities to deny millions of young people an opportunity to work. Let us make sure that we work collaboratively, we work together, all arms of government, focusing on the one single challenge we have in the nation, making sure that millions of young people have a job in Kenya. I want to assure the young people of Kenya that whatever it takes, the government of Kenya is going to make sure that we create opportunities for you to work, that we run programs that are going to create opportunities for our young.
Omwancho mwegererwe TV ya Ndizi TV abunoto ikera omweri wa manganama ya CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chabono mugaso elitaria nenkoro kwa job maangi no itu abere tukubwaterana elinde kwene kichibi chechiboigo na malio gengo ikerare asenjero wekaranu yakoro kwa Abigael Nyanchama muchikumira na nere dorkaza asechinga kichira ike CHINSA ikomi chabono marogoba asego na abatakiro bulireria obuya ime Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo Gusii.
Ndizi TV, obwansu bwo Gusii.